let's talk about the Renegade right here and the float level safety switch. Float level safety switch I've already removed. This is the float level safety switch. You can see it's a curved rod down to the bottom. This is the float level safety switch. This is the rod right here, and the wires go up through. You can see the two wires coming out of the safety switch. This is what the OEM one looks like. It's a plastic one. The ball up and down on this is plastic. It gets all gummed up. It doesn't work right. There's a little clip down here on the bottom that holds it in place. You don't want to lose that clip. They're kind of hard to come by. That little clip goes right on the end of that shaft. It clips right on the end of that shaft. If you have to take this ball out, you want to make sure the position that it's in, because if you take this ball out, if you take this ball off, it needs to go back on again. If you take the ball off and you flip it over and then put it back on, the switch works the exact opposite of the way that you want it to go. So if you pull it off, make sure you put it right back on the exact same way. Don't pull it off, play with it, and then turn it back upside down again. That's real important. It unthreads. It's an 1/8 inch pipe thread. It threads right inside here. You can grab a hold of the hex portion right here with a pair of channel locks or needle nose pliers, whatever you need. You're going to reuse this washer with the new replacement. This is what the new replacement looks like. It's out of stainless steel. It also has a little round clip on the end of it. Stainless steel ball on a stainless steel rod, 1/8 inch pipe thread. We're going to Teflon tape these pipe threads. We're going to screw it right back in, reusing this washer right here. And this ball is the same way. If you take this ball off and you flip it upside down and put it back on again, it works opposite. So you just want to make sure that it is installed correctly. If you need help with that, you're going to want to talk to your supervisor about how to determine how you want that to be. Normally, if the flow ball is all the way in the up position, then you want that switch to be open. You want the switch to be open. As the flow ball goes down, you want it to close. Okay, so you want it open at the top. You can use your continuity meter with the two wires right here to check the operation on that. I'm going to do that with mine with the continuity checker. And then I'm going to raise the ball up. It should close as I drop, or open it. As it goes up, it should open. As I drop it down, it should close, okay? Then we're going to feed the wires up inside this tube right here. This is going to slide up inside the cabinet, right in that vacant hole. Once we get that inside there, then this nut will screw on right there onto the standpipe. And then we can go ahead and make our connections back the way they were inside the cabinet. In this particular one side went to this spade connector on the relay, and the other side of the stripped wire went right over here. If you can see that, there we go, right there to this hole right here where the screw's at. That's where it went. So you always mark your wires where they came apart, and you can put it back the same way.